Morning. Well, today we're doing one of 2 days, back-to-backs I believe they're called. We're doing an 80 miler to Brighton and back, and then tomorrow we're doing probably about the same, maybe a little bit less to Hyde and back. So just waiting for Robin. Oh, here he comes. Video of him. Good morning. How are you? Yeah. Looking pretty sexy. So we're going to go and pick James up, and then we'll do some filming on the way. So, how far have we gone? 15.5 miles? Yeah. We've just hit Helsham, and now we've got to head another 10 miles to Beachy Head, back. Right, where have we just come up? Flying over hill, up from Alfriston, about a mile climb, grade 1, very difficult. But now, as you can see, we've got a beautiful view of Sussex, and we're cycling down into Worthing, Peacehaven, somewhere like that. I don't fucking know. And then hopefully on to Brighton. Obviously, Robin's got to leave us because he's got a more important engagement at, what's he got to do, Robin?
I've got to go to my brother-in-law's 18th. I'm really sorry, but I've still got a couple of runs to go, so I think I can be good.
Lightweight.